Jumbe ariyo bang' jatend piny Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta loro ohala mar uso chumbe moti kata Skrep, johalago koro go bede gi piny ni giyie luwo dwaro moro amora ma piny owacho biro keto mondo gidhi nyime kod ohalano.
Our appeal is to His Excellency the President, Uhuru Kenyatta. Please, help reopen our businesses because people are suffering. 2 million worth of human resource is lying idle. These are households that are earning a living from the scrap metal. 2 million. As a scrap dealers, we are going to help the government in regulating. As you can see there, I've written I don't buy. Well, it's written copper is not bought here. You know, these are the things that we need, all scrap dealers. Because I know the people who, for example, I know the people who bring scrap in my yard. So why should I entertain somebody who brings the railway scrap? So that's the only way. The help will come from the scrap dealers, so from the metal recycle industry. The stakeholders, they are the ones who are going to help the government.
Ng'ang'a wacho ni giseloso chenro mar geng'o kuo mag chumbe kendo gibiro medo tiyo kanyakla kod obila maneno ni kuo ma kamano rumo. Jatend jou Skrep no bende wacho ni jogo maloso betri kod chumbe mag gedo bende koro winjo matek chakre loro ohalano nikech gitiyo kod Skrep e loso mwandugo ma koro nengogi nyalo idho ka ohand Skrep pod ibiro lor.
Today you've heard the Association of Battery Manufacturers has said they are going to close shop because they don't have raw material. Thousands of tons of scrap batteries is lying in scrap metal yards. But we cannot deliver. We can't deliver. Because where do you transport it? Because of this directive. That is one company that is shut down with so many livelihoods there. Number two, the steel industry employs so many people. There is no house that can stand without being solidified by steel. This is what we are telling the president. The net effect is affecting so many people.
Ohala mar Skrep ne olor bang' jokuoge mag chumbe moko sirni moting'o weche machwalo teko sitima e dala mar Embakasi mane okelo lal mar teko sitima e gwenge mathoth dwe mokalo. Bede migepe mag yore wuoth kaka nderni kata reru bende osebet ka ywak ni giyudo lal mathoth kaluwore kod kuo mag chumbe moger godo nderni kata reru. Edwin Okoth, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.